Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning,
Waalaikumsalam.
fine
Good
today.
morning, Miss.
Alhamdulillah. I hope you are doing great and ready to learn. Sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran hari ini, ada baiknya bagi kita untuk berdoa terlebih dahulu. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai. Today, we are going to learn about introducing myself, especially by practicing our listening skill. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Ready, ma'am.
Ready,
Super ready.
Miss.
Okay, good. Before we jump into the material, let's think. Ha- have you ever introduced yourself in English?
Yes, I have, miss.
I have, Miss.
Oke,
Yes, Miss.
saya rasa semua sudah pernah ya, karena ini sudah jadi bagian dalam kehidupan kita. Dan kira-kira apa sih informasi yang biasanya diberitahu ke orang lain pada saat kita memperkenalkan diri? Nah, ini dia yang akan kita pelajari lebih dalam. So, our learning objectives, students are able to identify personal information from a spoken introduction and understand simple self-introduction expression and last answer questions based on what they hear. Nah, apa sih self-introduction? So, self-introduction is the act of telling other people about yourself. It helps people know who you are and is useful when meeting someone for the first time, introducing yourself in class, or making new friends. Jadi, self-introduction itu adalah tindakan memberitahu orang lain tentang diri kita atau memperkenalkan diri. Hal ini membantu orang lain yang ingin mengenal kita. Misalnya, pada saat kita bertemu orang pertama kali, memperkenalkan diri di depan kelas, atau pada saat kita mau berteman dengan orang baru. Jadi, kita ingin orang lain tahu identitas kita atau mengenal kita lebih jauh. Next. Ya. Next, when do we introduce ourselves? So we introduce ourselves when meeting new classmates, bertemu dengan teman sekelas baru, and then joining a new school or club, atau bergabung dengan sekolah baru atau komunitas, and then attending an interview, datang wawancara, lalu meeting a teacher for the first time, atau bertemu dengan guru pertama kali, and making new friends, berteman dengan orang baru. Next. Ini adalah contoh expressions yang bisa kita gunakan pada saat kita ingin memperkenalkan diri. Pertama ada greeting atau sapaan. Kita bisa bilang hi atau hello, atau kita bisa tambahkan hello everyone, hi everyone. Atau kita bisa juga mengucapkan good morning, good afternoon. Lanjut ada introducing yourself. Kita bisa bilang my name is Indah atau I am Dinda, or we can say you can call me Tiara. And next is talking about yourself. Kita bisa memberikan informasi tambahan selain nama. Yaitu kita bisa bilang I am 17 years old, or I live in Bandung, or my hobby is swimming. Dan terakhir, jangan lupa kita kasih closing atau penutup. We can say, nice to meet you, thank you for listening, or that's all about me. Dan ini adalah contoh audio dari self-introduction.
Hello, my name is Kevin. I am 15 years old. I live in Bandung. I like playing basketball and watching movies. My favorite subject is English because it is fun. I want to be an engineer in the future.
Nah, jadi itu contoh dari self-introduction ya, teman-teman. Lanjut. Now it's time for our first learning activity. Please listen carefully ya guys. Jadi ini adalah audio yang isinya perkenalan diri dari Sarah. Kalian dengar secara saksama sambil menjawab tes ini ya guys. Saya akan putar audionya sekarang.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a 21-year-old student. I'm studying medicine at university. I live in Manchester, a big city in England. I live with my family because I don't work. Medicine is difficult, so I need a lot of time to study. Manchester is famous in the world for its football clubs, but I don't like football. I prefer swimming. My other hobbies are listening to music and dancing. My favorite singer is Beyoncé because she sings and dances very well. I study 3 hours every day. I like to study because medicine is very interesting. I want to be a doctor in the future. My family helps me to study because my mother is a doctor and my father is a nurse. They work in a hospital in Manchester. My sister is 14 years old. I am older than her, so she is my younger sister. I love my sister so much. My sister loves animals. She wants to be a vet. Her favorite animal is a horse. They are beautiful. My family has a pet. We have a dog. My dog's name is Patch. He is black and white. Patch is 5 years old. He loves to eat his food and to play with his football. He also likes to sleep a lot. My favorite day of the week is Friday because I go out with my friends. We meet at 7 o'clock. On Fridays, I like to go shopping with my friends. I like to buy new clothes and perfumes. After we go shopping, we usually go to a cafe. We have a coffee and we have a conversation. It's great. My favorite season is spring because I love flowers. My favorite month of the year is March because my birthday is on the 12th of March.
Okay guys, I think it's the time for answer the task. Tolong jawab bersama-sama ya guys. Yang pertama, Sarah is studying.
Medicine, Miss.
Okay,
Medicine.
let's see the answer. That's right guys, good job. And next, she lives in
Manchester, Miss.
Manchester.
Okay, let's see the answer. Benar ya jawabannya, teman-teman. And next, Sarah's favorite singer is
Beyonce.
Okay, let's see the answer. That's right, guys. And next, she studies
3 hours, Miss.
3 hours.
Okay, let's see the answer. Benar ya, teman-teman. And next, Sarah wants to be a
Doctor, Miss.
Doctor.
Okay, let's see the answer. Yep, benar ya, teman-teman. She wants to be a doctor. And next, her favorite day of the week is
Friday, Miss.
Friday.
Okay, let's see, guys. Benar ya, teman-teman. And next, her favorite month of the year is
March, Miss.
March.
Okay, let's see the answer, guys. That's right, yeah. Her favorite month of the year is March. And last, her favorite season is
Spring, Miss.
Okay, let's see. That's right, guys. Good job, everyone. Jawabannya benar semua ya, teman-teman. Next, we move to listening task 2. Di sini ada soal pilihan ganda. Kalian pilih jawaban mana yang benar dari audio yang kalian dengar ya. Be ready, I will play the audio.
Hi, my name is Carol. Hi, Carol. My name is Michael. Where are you from? I am from York, in England. It's a nice place to live. How about you? I'm from Dallas, Texas. Everything there is very big. Where do you work? I work for ABC Limited as a software engineer. It's a good job for me because I like working with computers. How about you? I'm a journalist. I interview people and write stories for a famous American newspaper. What do you do in your free time? At the moment, I'm learning Italian. It's fun, but difficult. How about you? I like to go rock climbing. It's good exercise and I can enjoy the fresh air too.
Oke guys, kita jawab bersama-sama lagi ya. Number 1, what is the woman's name?
Carol, Miss.
Carol.
Oke, kita lihat jawabannya ya. Benar ya teman-teman, namanya adalah Carol. And number 2, where is Michael from?
York, Miss.
York,
Yeah.
Miss.
Let's see guys. Benar ya teman-teman, Michael from York. And number 3, what is Michael's job?
Software engineer, Miss.
Software engineer.
Engineer, Miss.
Oke, let's see the answer guys. Oke, benar ya teman-teman, Michael's job is software engineer. Number 4, why does Michael likes his job?
He likes working with computers,
Likes
Miss.
working with computers.
Okay, let's see the answer guys. That's right guys, good job everyone. Jawabannya benar semua ya. Next, kita jawab lagi nomor 5-8 ya. Saya akan play lagi audionya.
Hi, my name is Carol. Hi, Carol. My name is Michael. Where are you from? I am from York, in England. It's a nice place to live. How about you? I'm from Dallas, Texas. Everything there is very big. Where do you work? I work for ABC Limited as a software engineer. It's a good job for me because I like working with computers. How about you? I'm a journalist. I interview people and write stories for a famous American newspaper. What do you do in your free time? At the moment, I'm learning Italian. It's fun, but difficult. How about you? I like to go rock climbing. It's good exercise and I can enjoy the fresh air too.
Oke guys, kita jawab bersama-sama lagi ya. Number 5, where is Carol from?
Dallas, Texas,
Dallas,
Miss.
Texas.
Dallas,
Miss.
Texas, Miss.
Okay, let's see the answer. That's right guys, she is from Dallas, Texas. And number 6, what is Carol's job?
A journalist, Miss.
Hey, journal.
Journalist, Miss.
Okay, let's see guys. That's right guys. Jawabannya, she is a journalist. And number 7, what does Carol do at work?
He
Interviews people and write stories.
Okay, let's see the answer. That's right guys, good job. And number 8, why does Carol enjoy rock climbing?
See, Miss. It is good exercise.
Okay, let's see the answer. That's right guys, good job. Jawabannya benar semua ya. Next, kita lanjut lagi untuk mengerjakan listening task 3. Di sini ada 3 pernyataan berdasarkan audio yang akan kalian dengar nanti. Dan dari pernyataan tersebut, is it true or false? Kalian bisa jawab bersama-sama setelah saya putar audionya ya. Saya akan play, be ready guys.
Hello, what's your name? My name is David. What is yours? I'm Sarah. Pleased to meet you, David. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Austin. That is awesome. I really like Austin. I'm from Los Angeles. Have you met my friend Alex over there? He is also from Los Angeles. Yes, I have. We talked briefly earlier. I have to get going now. It was a pleasure meeting you, David. Of course. See you later.
Oke guys, untuk pernyataan pertama, David introduce himself first. True or false?
True, Miss. True.
Oke, kita pencet dulu yang true. Yang pernyataan kedua, Sarah is from Los Angeles. True or false?
False, Miss.
False, Miss.
False.
Oke. And pernyataan ketiga, David likes Austin. True or false?
True.
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 Oke, kita submit jawaban teman-teman ya. Wah, benar semua ya teman-teman. Good job guys. Next. Kita lanjut lagi ke 3 pernyataan berikutnya. Saya play lagi audionya supaya teman-teman bisa jawab lagi dengan benar ya.
Hello, what's your name? My name is David. What is yours? I'm Sarah. Pleased to meet you, David. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Austin. That is awesome. I really like Austin. I'm from Los Angeles. Have you met my friend Alex over there? He is also from Los Angeles. Yes, I have. We talked briefly earlier. I have to get going now. It was a pleasure meeting you, David. Of course. See you later.
Oke guys, kita lanjut lagi pernyataan pertama. Alex is from Austin. True or false?
False, Miss. False. False.
Oke, yang kedua, Sarah has never met Alex before. True or false?
False.
False. And last, Sarah has to leave the conversation. True or false?
True.
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 Oke, let's see the right answer ya guys. Apakah jawaban kalian benar? Ya, benar semua ya teman-teman. Good job everyone. Next, kita sudah mengetahui ya apa itu self-introduction dan mengerjakan 3 listening testnya. And does anyone have question? Apakah ada yang ingin bertanya?
Saya, Miss.
Ya, silakan Diana.
Miss, is it okay to say hi instead of good morning?
Okay, so the answer is yes. Hi is suitable for informal situations, such as talking to friends. Good morning is more polite and is usually used when speaking to teachers or in formal situations. Jadi seperti itu ya, Diana.
Terima kasih, Miss.
Okay, and then anyone? Ada lagi yang ingin bertanya?
Saya, Miss. I have a question. My
Okay,
question is, what's the difference between my name is and you can call me?
okay, good question. So my name is, tell people your full name, while you can call me tells them the name or nickname you prefer others to use. For example, my name is Muhammad Rizky, but you can call me Rizky. Jadi seperti itu ya, Fidelsa.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke. Oke guys, saya kasih informasi terlebih dahulu terkait tugas. Jadi setelah ini saya akan kirimkan audio masih tentang introducing myself dan worksheet yang akan kalian kerjakan nanti di WhatsApp group. Tolong jawabannya ditulis di buku dan dikumpulkan minggu depan di kelas. Gitu ya guys. So I think kita sudah berada di akhir pembelajaran. So the conclusion of our lesson. Today we learned how to introduce ourselves in English. A good self-introduction includes a greeting, personal information, hobbies, and a closing. Practicing self-introduction helps us communicate confidently, make new friends, and build good impression. Okay guys, thank you so much for your participation and being active today. So jangan lupa tugasnya dikerjakan untuk minggu depan. Thank you so much and see you next week.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes, have a great day.